Welcome back to the First 50, Lesson 37, and this one's a game changer. Remember Sarah? Her server slows down only sometimes, just for a few seconds, and by the time she runs PSO, the spike is already gone. She doesn't need a photo anymore, she needs a video. That's where htop comes in, the live process monitor, refreshing every second, showing her exactly what's burning CPU right now. So let's see what Sarah gets when she types htop. Her terminal transforms into a full-screen dashboard. At the top, a header with system-wide vitals. Uptime, load average, total processes, CPU, and memory usage. Below that, every running process sorted by CPU usage with the heaviest hitters right at the top. And here's the magic. Every 3 seconds it redraws itself. Numbers shift, processes shuffle, and that spike Sarah kept missing. It can't hide anymore. Now your turn. Go ahead and type htop yourself. It's completely safe. This is a read-only dashboard. Nothing changes on your system. Take a moment to read those two zones, the 5-line header up top with the system summary and the live process table below it. And pay attention to that load average, 3 numbers showing the last 1, 5, and 15 minutes. As long as they stay below your CPU count, you're in good shape. When you've seen enough, just press Q to quit. But here's where it gets interesting. htop isn't just showing you output, it's a mini-app you can drive with single keystrokes. Press capital P to sort by CPU, capital M to sort by memory. Those two alone will solve about 90% of Sarah's slowdown investigations. Hit 1 to break out each CPU core individually, K to kill a misbehaving process by its PID, or H anytime you need a reminder of what's available, and of course, Q to exit cleanly when you're done. Now those keystrokes are great when you're sitting at the terminal, but what if you want htop pre-configured before it even launches? That's where flags come in. Use -U to filter by a single user, like www data, so you only see the nginx and php processes. -N limits how many refreshes it runs before quitting, handy in scripts. And -P lets you watch just specific PIDs you already identified with PS. The real power move, combine them. htop bn1 runs in batch mode for one iteration, perfect for dumping process state into a log file. Let's see this in action. Sarah suspects a memory leak, so she launches htop and presses M to sort by memory. At 14:30, her Node app is sitting at 18.2% of RAM, looks normal. 30 minutes later, same process, same PID 2341, but now it's chewing through 47.8%. There it is, caught live. With PS alone, she'd just see one snapshot and shrug. With htop, the growth is undeniable. That's a memory leak confirmed, and she's got the PID ready for the next step. Now, quick reality check. Once you're inside htop, how do you actually get out? Beginners often panic here. Typing exit does nothing, hitting enter does nothing, and randomly mashing keys is risky because htop is interactive. Pressing K tries to kill a process, R reverses your sort. The clean answer is simple. Press lowercase q, you're back at your shell instantly. Ctrl+C works too as a fallback, but Q is the polite exit, and it's the universal quit key across less, man, htop, and most full-screen Linux tools. Now let's place htop inside its family. Think of it alongside 3 siblings. Peace, which you already met in Lesson 36. That's your snapshot, perfect for scripting or piping into grep, while htop handles the live watching. Then there's htop, a bonus tool worth installing. Same concepts as htop, just colored, mouse-clickable, and easier on the eyes. And coming up next, kill. Because once htop helps you find the runaway process, kill is what actually stops it. Diagnosis plus response working together. Time to put your hands on it. 3 tiny exercises, all completely safe, because htop is read only. You're just observing. First, type htop, watch the dashboard tick for 10 seconds, then press Q to exit cleanly. Second, launch it again and press capital M to resort by memory. Watch the RAM hogs leap to the top of the list. And third, try the script save form, htop-bn1, piped into head. That runs htop once and exits, perfect for logging or automation. Just remember, always press Q to leave. And that's lesson 37 in the books. You've now got the full investigation toolkit, PS for the historical snapshot, top for the live video feed. Sarah's mystery slowdown, you'd spot it in seconds now. Next up, lesson 38, kill. Because once you've found the runaway process, you need to stop it. Observation becomes action. I'll see you there.